In this module, we will take a look at the i1Profiler interface. When you launch i1Profiler, the home screen wizard appears. This wizard provides both basic and advanced user modes. They can be selected on the right-hand side of the screen. The options that appear in the workflow selector on the left-hand side will change as you toggle between basic and advanced modes. In basic mode, only the most relevant workflows for ICC profile creation are offered, and within a selected workflow, the options are also reduced. For example, when profiling printers, the basic mode will use predefined printer test charts and settings to create an accurate ICC profile. In the advanced mode, additional options will become available. As an example, in the same printer workflow, you will be given the option to create customized printer test charts. While at the home screen, you will also find information about the software version. You may check for software upgrades, set the software to automatically check for upgrades, manage any license upgrades you may have, and also complete your product registration. For monitor profiling, you will need to tell the software which measurement device you want to use. This is because i1Profiler comes bundled with other products for monitor color management, such as the i1 Display Pro and the i1 Display Pro Plus. When selecting a workflow in basic user mode, you can navigate through every step by using the arrow button on the right-hand side or by clicking on a workflow step in the workflow diagram at the bottom of the wizard. i1Profiler also contains integrated help. In basic mode, the help is displayed by default on the left-hand side of the screen. When moving the mouse over an option, the help dynamically provides an explanation of the selected option. Selecting a workflow in advanced user mode shows more steps in the workflow diagram. Navigation through these steps is the same. You may use the arrow button on the right-hand side or click on a workflow step. When you are in advanced mode, the integrated help may be activated by clicking on the question mark icon at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Another feature of the advanced workflow is the Assets section, which you will see on the left-hand side. Assets are files which can be saved for every step in a workflow. These files include all settings or data selected or produced in a particular step. When clicking on Save and saving the settings or data in the predefined folder structure of the software, the asset will appear in the Assets section on the left-hand side of the screen. These assets can easily be shared, even between Mac and Windows workstations, or reused by moving an asset file via drag and drop to a workflow step, by clicking on the Load button, or by simply double-clicking on an asset file. This also makes it possible to reload complete ICC profiles which have been created using i1Profiler. Aside from saving single assets for every step in a workflow, you can also save and reload complete workflows. All of this makes usage of the software and sharing of settings and data very powerful.